I'm going to demonstrate how we are able to scan a list of invoices and automatically record them into Xero. So we have here a Google Drive folder with a first folder for September with 5 supplier bills, and you can notice that all supplier bills have 10 line items each, and they all have different formats. Some of them are in PDFs, others in image format. And so we have a data pipeline that will automatically scan the folder. So here we can change the folder if we want to scan another folder, and automatically add all the line items into these Google Sheets. So here we see now we have the 10 line items for each of the invoices, and if we compare, for instance, for supplier 1, the first line item, we will find that the things are matching. So we have 6 quantity for a unit price of 39.165, which is what we have here. And the interesting part is that we also gave into the prompt our chart of accounts so that it's automatically mapped, but this can also be made in a deterministic way. And if we copy paste here into this other sheet the line items, so we can copy paste all the line items or just the invoices that we want to upload to Xero, we have another pipeline ready that will read this file and automatically upload to Xero all the line items of the invoices. So if I run here, it will actually read the file, format the file so that it sends the API call to Xero with all the invoices to create. And then if I go here to my list of supplier bills, I will see that I have my 5 supplier bills created, and if I open them, we will see that all the line items are matching to the cent. So here, for instance, it's for the supplier 4. If I open the invoice of the supplier 4, we see that we have the 10 line items that are exactly matching. So the soup, so it's a restaurant receipt here, the steak, etc. And even the subtotals are matching to the cent for the taxes as well, with the adjustments, because Xero here is rounding the tax for each of the line item and then summing them up. So here we see that it's not the way it was edited, the receipt. So the receipt was made by summing up all the line items without the tax and then adding the tax on top of the subtotal. So we make sure that we actually exactly match the amounts that are on the invoice. And if we compare the other invoices, it will be exactly the same. So here for supplier 5, we have the same situation where we actually exactly match the amounts. This was another invoice, but basically all the invoices are now into Xero with the right amounts in a couple of seconds, instead of having to double check everything manually and input everything manually with the risk of many errors.